Hello, what's up guys? Eman from Peso Smart Page here. Welcome to a new episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, let's talk about VIX or yung Volatility Index ng S&P 500. So if you're invested in, for example, VOO or SPY, so essentially dalawang ETF na low cost na tinatrack yung S&P 500. So personally for me, I'm invested in VOO and pwede ka mag-rely sa VIX kung kailan ka bibili or kung kailan ka mag-deploy ng mas malaking capital sa VOO, sa S&P 500 essentially. Kasi if you're, for example, if you're currently DCAing, sabihin natin budget mo is $100 per month. And then, hindi naman yun yung limit mo. Diba? Like for example, nagkaroon ng dip and kaya mo mag-shell out ng around $200. So, kailan mo ba dapat i-deploy yung mas malaking capital? So again, mas makakatulong itong VIX sa mga instances na yun. But syempre, just still continue buying consistently into the market, buying into the market. Para nakaseparate din, no, yung speculation dun sa long-term investing strategy. So let's take a look. Nasa daily tayo nitong VIX. And sabihin natin yung mataas dito na may wick sa taas. So October 23. So umabot siya ng around 23.08. October 23 ng VOO. Nasaan na siya? Ito siya. So yung lowest was around 383. Highest was 389. And let's say na lang na bumili ka nun. Natin dito lang sa average. So currently you're gonna be up by around 10%. So not really that bad. Wala pang 2 months yun. And maganda-ganda na yung tinakbo nung buy mo at that time. And of course, like for example, hindi naman siya perfect kasi yung local bottom dito nakuha nung October 27. So yung VIX nun, it's still relatively high. So dito siya. Although hindi siya yung pinakamataas, nakita naman natin. But of course, hindi mo naman laging ita-target na okay, andito, sobrang taas ng VIX. Dito ako bibili. You still have to check. Like for example, itong RSI na lang. So ito natin nung 23. Hindi pa siya below 30. So kung nagantay ka ng ilang araw, October 27 ka bumili, nag-below 30 yung RSI. Nasa 28.72 nung nag-local bottom nung October 27. And to illustrate this further, gawin natin 1 week. Yung pinakamataas na level around week ng March 16, 2020. So ito yung time na nag-start yung pandemic. So dyan pinakamataas yung value ng VIX. So, kita nyo naman yung RSI din. Above 70 siya. And week ng March 16, tingnan natin yung VOO. Ayan. Week ng March 16, dun almost nag-bottom yung S&P 500. Although the following week pa siya nagkaroon ng actual local bottom. But, kita natin dito na yung RSI nasa graveyard na din. So, nasa 21.36. So, lahat talaga nagbebenta lang from like this week. Kita nyo dyan. Parang dito, may konting insider trading pa na nangyayari. yung mga politicians ng US, they were the ones who dumped their positions first and then bought yung mga pharmaceutical companies para of course ma-ride yung yung magandang run ng mga companies na yun. Syempre kasi sila yung magiging solution. Sila yung makakagawa ng vaccine, di ba? So, that's automatic revenue for them and automatic income for them. So, tataas yung stock prices nila. But yeah, anyway, kita nyo dito na magandang guide din yung VIX. Although hindi siya super accurate din or pwede natin sabihin na laging indicator din siya. But you can still use this if you're trying to buy the dip. And kita naman natin ngayon na medyo mababa yung level niya. And actually, this is one of the lowest levels ever ng VIX. So, mga low that? 9.31. So, nasa 12.71 lang tayo currently. And as we can see, ang taas ng VUO and of course na S&P 500 kasi tinatrack lang naman yan. So, kung nagdi-DCA kayo, okay pa rin naman bumili currently. Although, if you're trying to just buy the dip, then you have to wait a little and save your extra capital kapag nag-dip na nga actually yung market. Kasi ngayon, medyo mataas agad yung level and malapit nang makuha ulit yung all-time high, which was 2022, around 441.26 sa VOO. That's the actual all-time high of this ETF. And nasa 424 na tayo. So yeah. If for example, sabihin natin na every 12th of the month ka nag-DCA or nagbabuy-in sa market, kahit ano pang presyo niyan. Yes, you can deploy your capital allotted for that DCA strategy. But again, yung extra capital mo, just save it up. Kasi hindi naman tuloy-tuloy or hindi naman forever na pataas lang yung prices ng stocks. Like eventually magkakaroon ng correction. Eventually magkakaroon ng pullback. And historically nangyayari yun kapag nag-decide na yung US Fed na mag-cut ng rates. So pag nangyari kasi yun, like most of the quote-unquote smart money investors nag-take profit na. And isa yun sa nagkoko. Syempre, hindi naman what do you call this? Hindi naman sila like small fries lang. So yung mga nag-take profit na yun, mga institutions. So hindi sila small retail investors lang or small retail traders. So malaki yung naging effect nun sa market. But yeah, I just wanted to reintroduce you. Kasi before naman na-mention ko na rin tong VIX or VIX sa inyo. But just wanted to reiterate na pwede nyo gamitin to if you're trying to buy the dip and deploy more capital kapag actually nag-dip yung market. So again, hindi naman siya super like 100% accurate all the time. But you can see yung mga patterns. So, ito, March 15. March 15, yan. Kita nyo, di ba? Nag-dip siya dito. And dito sa December 2022. Huwag na yan. Ito yung mas mababa. October 13, 2022. Yan, kita nyo dito. Pangita na agad na tumaas siya. Tumaas yung VIX. So, kumbaga parang parallel lang to or like opposites lang siya. Pagka tumataas yung VIX, then that is the time that you should be deploying more capital. Pagka mababa siya, low level, then you should just probably stay on the sidelines or just deploy the capital allotted for your DCA strategy. So yep, that's gonna be it for this episode, guys. Sana may natutunan kayo. And if umabot kayo at the end of this video, thank you very much. I appreciate you. So yep, I'll see you all in the next one. I hope you stay safe and always remember, be Peso smart.